Hey there, tech fans. Today I'm outside to test the image stabilization capabilities of the brand new Insta360 X5 camera. Now, this camera has horizon leveling, which should keep the image perfectly level, but it also has a very advanced image stabilization feature where it can digitally manipulate the image inside of the camera to compensate for movements of the physical body. So what I'm going to do to test this is I have the X5 strapped to the hood of my car, and I'm going to drive down this country road, which has a lot of potholes and bumps and turns in it, to see how it handles all of that movement on the hood of my car. And then I'll come back with a few final thoughts, so stay tuned for that test. Okay, I thought that image stabilization was pretty incredible. I was driving down that really bumpy road, and that camera was moving around a whole lot on the hood, yet the image was rock solid. And again, the added benefit of an Insta360 X5 is that it's recording 360 degrees of images all the way around the camera. So when I was driving, I had it in 360 degree mode. I could have easily spun my perspective to either side to check the woods or to look up at the sky. I had so much opportunity to reframe that video when I was driving the car down that road. So imagine if I was driving along and off to the left, there was Sasquatch. I could have spun it around, got the image of Bigfoot, and I'd have been a hero. But I didn't see him out here, so maybe he's hiding over there. But anyway, the image stabilization was rock solid. And again, for me, the benefit is I can set that camera up anywhere. I can walk through the woods with it. I can have it on the hood of my car, and it's going to give me beautiful footage. So hopefully you found this quick test helpful. I think this new Insta360 X5 is an amazing camera. And for me, it really has replaced a lot of the action cameras I bring with me out in the field because it does everything I need. So thanks an awful lot for watching. And until next time, as always, stay nerdy.